So these two things are necessary when you're outside whitewashing. This is actually the inside of my porch, so I'm not going with the lime wash. I'm just using some floor and porch paint that I had laying around. And brick is so porous that it's gonna soak right in. And so I'm gonna show you how I do it. So to get this varying look, it's actually quite easy, and I'll clip through this whole area pretty quick. I'll come over here and show you. So the brick I have is very, 70s, and I'm going for like a French look. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. We're doing black on the picture frame, or excuse me, the window frame. So I'm gonna do like, I have a collection of baskets and have a bunch of baskets around. So I'm really excited. And so what I do when I'm doing brick, other than the lime wash, which is the outside, which is different, I like to take a big brush like this, which is Paint Pixie, and I'm gonna get a lot on there, like that, and I'm gonna saturate one brick. And I'm gonna, really push down. And then as my brush starts losing paint, I'm gonna dry brush the remainder until there's nothing left on my brush. And I'm gonna keep doing that until I get different variations. So you can see it's heavy in some areas and very, very, very light in others. And this helps create kind of this overlook, this aged look. Grab your drip marks. You might get some in between the grout lines. So again, I take my brush, I get a lot of paint on it. And you really could probably even do this with interior paint. You could do this with chalk paint. If you're doing it outside, you want to use a latex exterior paint watered down, or there are many lime washes on the market that are great. We're using one right now on the outside that I'll have a YouTube video about. But just to save on product, I decided to do the inside of my porch with just regular latex paint. And this light gray that I had laying around was porch and floor paint, so that's what I went with.